Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, TD Radebe, back on your screen once again. So I just recently turned 25, and as of recent I mean yesterday was my birthday, 4th of June. If your birthday is on the 4th of June, leave a comment down below. Maybe we could be twins in another dimension. Do I look 25? Oh my goodness, I better not be looking 25 because black is not supposed to crack. I'm kidding. I'm sure at any age I'll always look beautiful. Anyway, I want to first say welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. It means a lot. You don't understand, it means a lot to me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my content. Then somebody asked me why haven't I been releasing content in the past week, and I have a very valid reason for that, and that is because I am a very spiritual person. I'm very in tune with my energies and stuff like that, and George Floyd's spirit is amongst us, and it's alive, it's moving amongst us, and it has been, you know, affecting me, and I have not necessarily had the energy, creative energy, to come in front of the camera and be like, hey guys, how you doing? Okay, maybe I don't talk like that, but you get what I mean. Yeah, and I didn't have that kind of energy to come in front of the camera and pretend like everything's okay around me, knowing very well that a lot of people that are also, I don't know, in tune with our spiritual selves, they would be able to pick up the energy from the camera and be like, she's lying, you know. And I don't ever want to come in front of the camera and start lying. That's why I sometimes cry in front of the camera, because at that moment I'm in that present moment, and yeah, that's it, you know, I'm in that moment. Anyway, let's get right into today's video. Okay, so we're going to be talking about 3-minute conditioners, we're going to be talking about deep conditioners and leave-in conditioners, and then I'll touch on other natural hair terms. All right, so you normally use a 3-minute conditioner straight after you shampoo your hair. The reason you do this is because it's supposed to act as a quick repair to your hair. So a quick moisturizer, a quick hydrator, a quick treatment, like just to repair whatever it can in that 3 minutes, right? And this is a great time for you to invest in a 3-minute conditioner that actually provides you with a lot of slip. The reason for that is, for example, I have this product here. I have reviewed it. If you have not watched it, I'll release it there. This is not a horrible conditioner. My only problem with this conditioner is that it's so thick. It's so thick that you can't, it's like a paste. And for me, 3-minute conditioners is not supposed to be this thick. Deep conditioners are supposed to be this thick. And this is not a deep conditioner. This is just a conditioner you use after you shampoo your hair, right? So that's that. So for me, look for a 3-minute conditioner, 5-minute conditioner that provides you with a lot of slip, so that you can be able to detangle your hair and then rinse it off and then slap on either a protein treatment or a moisturizing treatment. I don't have a moisturizing treatment right now, but a protein treatment. So you get 2 types of deep conditioners, okay? And I use conditioner and treatment interchangeably. Okay, cool. So with a deep conditioner, you get a protein treatment and then you get a moisturizing treatment. With a protein treatment, you are supposed to ensure that the ingredient that is most active in it is hydrolyzed protein, because that's the one that kind of strengthens your hair, ensures that it's still very elastic like, because that's the other thing, is that when your hair doesn't do this, bounce back, it means there's a problem. And I mean this whether it's dry or it's in its wet state. Well, for me, mine bounces back and it's dry right now, right? But even if it was wet, it would still do the same thing, and that just shows that your hair is healthy. And guys, shrinkage is not your enemy. That's how your hair is, okay? You don't have to be so obsessed with stretching your hair. Just embrace the shrinkage, darling. But yeah, then you get your moisturizing treatments, and self-explanatory, they do exactly that. They moisturize your hair. All right. How frequent should you be doing these? deep conditioners. I suggest between 2 to 3 times a month. If you really want, you can do it 4 times. I mean, if you've got the strength, go ahead and do it 4 times. But I'm talking about the lazy naturals. At least try to do it twice a month. You know, just do it twice a month. All right. Just in general, the purpose of deep conditioners, okay, whether it is a 3-minute conditioner, leave-in conditioner, or a deep conditioner, they are supposed to strengthen your hair. They're supposed to prevent breakage. They're supposed to kind of increase the amount of shedding that you get on your hair. And a lot of people will actually always say that it contributes to length retention because it does strengthen your hair more than anything. It really, really does. And then the other things, just to add on to that, is it moisturizes your hair. It has to hydrate your hair. You have to feel like a brand new person after you deep condition your hair. And if you don't, clearly didn't do what it was supposed to do. Right. Then we are going to move on to, I have my notes here. We're going to move on to leave-in conditioners, all right? So for me, leave-in conditioners is basically an extra layer of conditioning that you apply to your hair after you have deep conditioned to kind of proceed, or rather, yeah, to proceed the process, you know, just to continue the process. All right. So for me, right after I would, let's say for example, use a protein treatment, I would use my Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream. So this just continues the work, you know. And for me, funny enough, when I don't use a leave-in conditioner, I feel like my hair doesn't retain as much moisture as it does if I didn't. If I did have a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner on. So for me, I use leave-in conditioners so that it can kind of just continue to hydrate my hair while I'm moisturizing. And you can reapply this. That's the cool thing about leave-in conditioners. You don't rinse off. And I think some people don't know this. Leave-in conditioners, you leave it in your hair. That's why it's called leave-in. Leave it in your hair and style as desired, as they would normally say behind the pack. And then I want to talk about other things such as clays that you use on your hair. This is bentonite clay, and I use bentonite clay maybe once a month. I will show you guys. I'm going to be using it next Friday, and I will show you guys how I basically use this product. I actually like it. And then there's things such as hair masks. Okay, then there are such things such as hair masks. Those are also great for your hair. I suggest, if you want to use that, if you are maybe want to add a new product into your life, your hair journey, you can do masks, or you can just do treatments, no, clays or masks, either or. Pick between the two. And yeah, basically that's it. An example of a leave-in conditioner would also be the Unjackie's leave-in conditioner. Also, again, the other thing is that I try to use products that are sulfate free as much as I can, and this Unjackie's is sulfate free. This Clicks Afro True Naturals Moisturizing Curls is also sulfate free. And I'm assuming the Cantu product is also I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this is what they claim this conditioner does. Helps mend hair breakage, helps protect against split ends and reduces frizz, hydrates and moisturizes with shea butter and natural oils. But yeah, you guys get the idea, all right? So, do you need a leave-in conditioner? I say yes. Please use a leave-in conditioner just to continue the process of repairing your hair without you having to rinse it off. I think it just continues to hydrate your hair for a bit longer. At least it does that for mine. For me, I don't care. You can skip 3-minute conditioners, but don't skip deep conditioning. Like, for me, that's crucial, right? So please just deep condition your hair as frequently as you can, and use a leave-in conditioner. Like, please use a leave-in conditioner. And yeah, basically that's it. I think I'm done. That's all you guys asked, right? Yeah. So I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one, and let us continue to support one another, and you know exactly what I mean by that. And yeah, see you guys in my next one.